balita.
Sa balita, yan ang aming panata. DZBB Super Radio 594. Lagi naka-alerto, serbisyong totoo. DZBB Kapuso nyo sa radyo. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan. Serbisyong totoo lamang, walang iwanan. May paninindigan, matatag, maaasahan. DZBB Super Radio 594. Kapusong Pilipino, lahat Super Radio. DZBB Serbisyong totoo. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan. Serbisyong totoo lamang, walang iwanan. DZBB Super Radio.
Ito ang himpilang DZBB 594 kHz, isang commercial AM radio station na may 50,000 watts transmitting power at may pahintulot sa ilalim ng station permit number BSD-0353-2021 REN 1092 na ipinagkaloob ng National Telecommunications Commission na may bisa hanggang December 31, 2024. Ang DZBB Studio ay nasa GMA Complex, EDSA, Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. At ang transmitter ay matatagpuan sa Barangay Panghulo o Bando, Bulacan, Republika ng Pilipinas. Ang GMA Engineering ay pinamumunuan ni Engineer Elvis B. Ancheta na may Professional Electronics Engineer number 897. Ang DZBB Studio at Transmitter ay nasa pangangasiwa at pangangalagang teknikal na mga sumusunod na electronics engineers, electronics technician at first-class radio and telephone operators na pawang lisensyado ng Professional Regulation Commission at ng National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Ricardo Cabral, Professional Electronics Engineer number 92. Engineer Conrado Tolentino, Electronics Engineer number 3165. Engineer Benjamin Dacanay Jr., Electronics Engineer number 23028. Engineer Jose Marie de Guzman, Electronics Engineer number 43051. Engineer Charles Vincent De Lazo, Electronics Engineer number 67376. Engineer Christian Flores, Electronics Engineer number 69186. Engineer Jedediah Joshua Taperla, Electronics Engineer number 72706. Kent Lawrence Rivera, Electronics Technician number 23079. Javin Felix Zapata, Electronics Technician number 20948. John Carlo Cagumbay, 97-1 PNCR-20133. Joel Estrada, 94-1 PNCR-10865. At Leandro Luis, 22-1 PNCR-27155. Ito ang himpilang DZBB 594 kHz na pansamantalang winawakasan ang pagsasahim papawid. Magandang umaga po, mga kababayan. Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.